awkward.
I'm gonna be weird and awkward. You're the one walking over here like you gotta pee.
That's fucking normal.
I don't know what to do it. I don't know if we can do this. It's really nervous on the YouTube.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, so we are here today with Ella. You'll remember from a video. I'm gonna put it over there. How long has it been since the whole cancer in your face thing?
Almost a year.
Almost a year. Alright, so Ella had cancer in her thyroid. And then, because that wasn't enough, went and did it again, right?
For now, I think.
Alright, cool. No tumors, nothing. But Simone over at Simone Giertz just put up this video about having a tumor behind her eye. So we are gonna do the exact same thing for her that I did for Ella because, you know, sometimes having a laugh helps. There you go. All right, the nurses didn't like me at the cancer ward because we were making way too much noise. And then we got yelled at by the people next door. So we're gonna go pick out some saw blades and get to cutting on the plasma table. There are circle saws. Oh man. So we have one like that we could use. Or we could do even
Maybe we should do this one.
We do rustier ones.
I like this one.
Or we could make them shiny. You want to make them shiny?
I like this one.
Alright.
Right here? Yeah. In the water?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, measure how wide that saw blade is and how wide that hole in the middle is.
It's like 11. It's almost 12.
Alright, we'll call it 12.
It's about an inch.
Is this the part where we tell you that your hair's in the water?
Is it?
Oh my god,
God.
it's really gross.
Yeah, it's about an inch.
Alright, so how wide did we say it was? 12 inches?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of that?
Why is it that color now?
Because now I've told the computer how I want it to cut it out. We're telling the computer what kind of metal it is and how fast to cut it. If we cut too fast, it won't burn through. If we cut too slow, it just melts it all away.
Wait, that's gonna do it?
Yeah, that thing's gonna cut it out automatically.
From
I'm not
this?
working. Yeah, I'm not working by hand. We're building robots to do our work.
I didn't know.
Come on. All right, so now we've made our file. This software tells the table move this much, move that much, don't move, move up, move down, move left, move right, whatever. Now what we're gonna do is we'll line this up straight. So we're gonna cut this out with plasma. You know what plasma is? No? All right, that's a plasma cutter. Pull the trigger. No, hold it down. Plasma! All right? All right, now put it in the plasma cutter. Look here.
How do you know what to press?
It's just the arrow keys.
How do you know where to put it?
We want to start right in the center of the saw blade. So we're actually going to push the machine down and use that to center up the saw blade.
Now you gotta wear your laser-proof stunner shades. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, you need some.
So it's done. Let's pick it up.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna get dirty. Alright, cool. So, now, to get all these metal pieces out, you know the best way to do this? Cover your ears.
Is that right?
Yeah, cover your ears. There you go. Boom. They all fell out. Oh shit, that fell out. So we gotta find that piece
How
again.
are you gonna fix that part?
Her shit fell out.
Is it this one?
Is it? Yeah, it is. Ha ha ha. There we go. I found a piece.
How are you gonna put that back in?
We'll weld it back in. It's not a big deal. So it goes on with the strap right there, and that cups the back of your head.
Oh, that's a little smug.
A little smug, a little
Yeah.
snug. Alright, I'm very hoity-toity helmet wearer.
I like this helmet. I'm gonna wear this helmet to ride my bike in.
Alright. Every time you look at the sun, it'll go dark. You won't be able to see anything.
But it'll scare people. It'll look intimidating.
What I'm gonna do is weld that. See the wire comes out? And it makes sparks.
Whoa.
Right? There you go. See?
Yes.
Attach them to each other. Okay. So we're gonna clamp this down to the table.
That looks like the things that doctors put in videos.
Stethoscope.
Yes. Doesn't it? That's what
Stethoclamp.
I do.
Scope clamp. I don't know. Whatever. Here you go.
Scope of it.
Okay. So. hold
Oh,
on.
I remember. Whoa.
Hearing protection.
Okay.
All right.
How am I gonna? What am I supposed to do? Go over all?
I'll
of it?
show you. Let me put on my hearing protection. All right.
Am I supposed to go over the whole thing?
Yeah. So you're gonna take this, start it up, and then just go like that and clean it off. Okay. Just real slowly, and you want the grinder tipped just a little bit this way. All right.
That's too much instruction.
Well, no. Okay. So if it's flat, like it's flat, so it wants to like run around. If you tip it a little bit, you can move it around where you need to go. All right.
Wait, I want to practice on.
That's fine. Practice on the table. That's good.
Wait, I forgot. I don't think I'm doing it right.
You're doing it right.
Your side looks better.
They look the same. All right, here. Go ahead. Huh?
But I like that smell.
You like the smell of burning molten metal? All right, that makes sense. Is that how you got cancer in the first place? Perfect. So let's clear coat this. Let's clear coat this so it doesn't rust or change or anything. Now, speaking of shitty robots. Holy shaking paint can.
What is that?
It's a paint can shaker.
Why can't you shake it?
Because that thing does it way better. Alright, I'm gonna do the back, you're gonna do the front, alright? You ready?
Just do the lines like that?
Alright, so if we're gonna make a little stand for this, well, we want it to stand almost perfectly straight up, right? So we'll make a little thing that comes out right here and right here. Alright, let's bend up some metal. Let's make these little bottom pieces. We'll put that in the vise and bend it straight down. Alright, we'll do the first one, you're doing the second one.
Whoa. What am I supposed to do?
Put a nice little 90-degree bend in there like that. See? Now, grab it right at the bottom and pull. You can do it.
I don't think I can.
Pull it straight back.
I'm trying. Can I go from here?
Yeah. No. Alright, fine. We're gonna have to go with the cheater method.
Whoa.
You ready? Now you can do it.
From where?
Just, yeah, right there.
That was a bit
A
easy.
little bit easier? Alright.
Now, because that one's hot, I'm gonna dunk it in the water.
Whoa.
What?
It was hot.
I just made it molten red with the torch. I'll show you. All right, ready, start? There you go, look at that one.
It gradually gets like lower.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yep.
Are these all stuck together now?
Yeah. Throw it on the ground as hard as you can. They're stuck. No, they're really stuck together.
I did that too.
Yep. All right, so now we've got our two pieces that will go like that, right? And then we'll take one more like that. Just weld this piece to this piece, just right there. You don't even really have to move that much, okay? There you go.
Is that right?
That's perfect. Tack weld.
Is that right? Good? Or should I do more right there?
Yeah, do a little bit more. Put a weld right there. Really? Put a weld right there in the corner. Alright, let's make sure that the sign fits in it real nice. Do the trick.
I hope it falls again.
Why would you say that? I hope it falls
It
again.
was funny.
There you go.
Yay. That was good.
All right, everybody, thanks for joining us for that one. Got this saw blade cut out. It's pretty similar to the one I made Ella, a year ago. Ella got a little bit of experience here welding up a stand for it. It's first time welding. All right, got the helmet. Got all dirty. We had to go to Walmart and buy jeans because somebody showed up in shorts. Kids these days. Anyway, go right here. This is gonna be Simone's video. Show her some Stop. Go show her some support. If you want to see the video where we made Ella's saw, that's gonna be right there. And of course, if you want to see some future content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. I don't want to wear boot cut, right?
I've never had boot cut.
Oh, I just love those.